Good morning. My name is Denise Williams, and I'm Director of Categorical Programs in Evergreen School District in San Jose. And we're here at Milligan's News, about ready to begin our 4th annual Evergreen Books Galore. This is a district-wide effort to promote literacy and just the love of books to all of our Evergreen community. Highlights of the day include family shopping with a 30% discount offered by Milligan's News, and we're so thankful for that. Author signings, and some of our authors that have been here are Francisco Jimenez, Busby, Gary Soto, Zendez, Justin Zen, Leah Varwick, and a couple others, but that's just to name a few. Also, all the attendees receive tote bags when they come in the door and raffle tickets, because throughout the day we give away wonderful resources, books that we have donated or purchased from Milligan's News, and lots of technology, science, and math games. We also have a DJ, and Christy Hale, who is one of our highlights of today, will be having a arts and crafts project with her wonderful new book. So we're really looking for a great day of fun. So thanks again to Milligan's News for having us here 4 years in a row, and we thank you how you serve our Evergreen community. Thanks again. Bye.